Hello students, this is a really quick video showing you how you can set up a new blog if you already have a blog created. So the first thing you need to go to is go to blogger.com. When you go to blogger.com, you'll notice that whatever blog you have already loads up. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the little drop down arrow beside the name of your current blog and you're going to click on new blog. Once you've clicked on new blog, you're going to put any title in for your blog, and it can be any word or words that you like as long as it's not offensive. Then you're going to select a blog address, and your blog address is going to be any characters without spaces followed by the words blogspot.com. Now, let's say I wanted to use Mrs. West. What it's going to do is it's going to check the availability of that. If you get an exclamation mark, it means someone else is already using that address. Maybe try other numbers after. If you get a tick, that means you can use that address and you're fine. So you can then create the blog and continue on with your work. Once you've completed that task, what I then need you to do is I need you to then go to the blog as an example, copy out. So click on the post that's yours, copy the words, go back to your blog, go new post, then you can paste and put a title in and remember to hit publish. And this will be the way that you can start up a new blog for Taz if you're currently working in a blog that's from year 6. Good luck.